I'm bored. Rain's really coming down now. Just so you guys got a good look. I'm sure you guys could hear the rain. Sorry, sunflower seeds. I'm so addicted to these things. Hi, Rachel. Well, it's not coming down too hard. But this is my flag. Yeah, I need a new one. As you can see, I lost a staple. I'm sure the universe will provide me with one down the road. I will be eating peanut butter and jelly for the next 3 days. Only because I don't feel like leaving this place right now. I'm at peace. So much peace. Alright, unplug the speaker. The Bluetooth kicks on. But whoever built this thing, man, I gotta thank them. That's how far up off the ground I am. God, this was the most amazing find ever. It really was. I mean, look. Oh, so that trail. Yeah, that trail right there. It looks like it just curves around these little woods right here and comes up here. So it's just one circle. Hey, Drew. Don't fall. Oh, that's right. Yes, I am squatting in somebody's hunter's shack. If somebody finds me here, I will tell them my story and like, look, I'm just trying to avoid the rains, and I'll move on. Maybe ask them if they care, give them a couple bucks. That is the path I came down to find this place. My socks and shoes are still soaking wet. Not much, Drew. Just reaching Zen out here. Yeah, tin roof. God, I am so glad I found this place. I'm ecstatic at it. If you look at the puddles, you can see how it's coming down. And it's supposed to be off and on like this for the next 3 days. So, yeah. I'm staying here till, what is it? Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday morning is when I'll be out of this location right here. Yeah, I stepped in some of these puddles accidentally up the road, or the path, so my shoes and socks are soaking wet. But luckily I got baby powder, man. Always put baby powder in your shoes. Always. Makes your feet ain't sweaty. That, and when you're walking like I am, man, taking care of your feet, major thing you need to do. I have noticed one thing. Since I've started walking, my shoulders don't hurt that much. I have 2 blisters on the heels of my feet. One on one foot, one on the other. Although this one over here needs to be popped. I do have some moleskin. So, yeah. Oh, once again, I am so glad I found this place. I have no idea if you guys can hear me good enough. I was able to put my hammock up, but I had to, there it is, tie it in a knot right here because it's not wide enough for it. It is comfortable. I've almost fallen asleep like 3 times already. Oh. So yeah, just thought I'd give you guys an update without making a Facebook or a YouTube video. So, I am safe, everyone. And you guys have a great day. Stay dry. I know I am. And I might do another personalized video. I haven't decided yet. I haven't really got any feedback on the one I did yet, so time will tell. I did create a GoFundMe page because so many people have been asking me to. Share that GoFundMe page. Share it. Share my videos. I mean, it's an amazing journey, and anybody who wants to watch me take this is more than welcome to. So if you're enjoying the journey, share it so other people can enjoy it also. Hi Brenda. I am in Geneva on the Lake right now in a hunter's shack in the middle of the woods. I'm squatting. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So far, you guys have seen easy, but it's not always going to be easy. I've already been told which dumpsters is good to dive in. So I was also told Walmart is your friend, but no, Walmart is not your friend. Everything's card. You got to use your credit card for everything at Walmart. So I've gotten more reception sitting outside from workers and managers at Dollar Generals than anything else. I mean, I asked them, like, do you mind if I plug my phone in? No, go right ahead. And I don't sit there, and I just sit there and charge my phone. It is what it is, Brenda. I mean, go to my YouTube channel, watch it from the beginning if you haven't seen any of them, and enjoy the journey with me. I post YouTube videos all the time, sometimes 3 times a day, sometimes twice a day. But I always post one at the start of my day and one at the end of my day. But these next 3 days, ain't nothing happening. I'm going to be right here for the next 3 days. Well, 2.5 days. There's no signs that say no trespassing in these woods. Now, like I said earlier, which you missed, if the owner finds me in this stand, I'll apologize, tell them my story, and just, you know, take it from there. The universe provided me with this stand right here. So, I mean, watch the last video. I actually captured me finding this while I was recording where my original camp was. I happened to get it all on tape, and wow, it was an amazing find. There's going to be times where I'm squatting in abandoned houses. I mean, it's not hotels and all sleeping in woods. The weather will tell me what I have to find, how I have to sleep that night. Plus, it's not deer season right now, I don't think. Is it? I have no clue. I'm not a hunter. I love all animals. And when I leave this place, I'm taking everything with me. I'm putting my trash in a bag, and I'll carry my trash with me like I do when I sleep in the woods. Even my cigarette butts. I field dress them and put the cigarette butts in the garbage bag. Or if I'm using a coffee cup to spit my seeds in, and I'll put my cigarette ashes in there and everything else. I am not even going to sign my name to this place. But I want to so bad. So bad. But you guys have a great day. Stay dry. Have fun. I'm going to go back to my music. And just find my Zen again. Well, not find it again, but stay at peace. Because I've been Zen'd the whole trip. It's an amazing journey. And there's a long way to go. So, love you guys. Music is life. There's no art here, so I can't say that one. But go hug somebody. And I'm always careful. Like, here, look. One mask. Second mask. Third mask. Ah. And fourth mask. So, you guys have a good night. Keep following, like and share my videos. Share my GoFundMe account if you feel the need to. But really, just get my videos out there. Let people experience my journey with me, just like you guys are. So, you guys have a great day, and I'm about to make me another peanut butter and jelly sandwich.